There are many platforms out there where you can start writing code. We are going to explore one of them today, that is CodePen. Unlike Sublime Text or VS Code, which you have to download in your laptop, this is completely online. Okay, you can just go search for CodePen here. Just click on the first link. As soon as you click on the first link, CodePen is going to open for you. Obviously, you're not going to see this dashboard because you have to first get yourself registered here and then you need to log in. I have already logged in into this. That's why it directly took me to my dashboard. But first you have to sign up here, and signing up is very easy. You can sign up with your Google or GitHub account. If you're just getting started with your coding journey, you can sign up with Google. Okay. Once you have signed up, logging in is very easy. Just click on login here and then you can log in with Google or you can give your credentials. I'll click on login here. Once you log in, you'll see lot of things here. But for now, you don't need to worry about all this. Just click on pen. As soon as you click on pen, here this section is going to open up. This left section is where you start writing your code. You might get this alignment at the top or right. It is your choice where you want this code section to be. I personally like this at the left side. So initially we are going to get started with writing HTML code. So I'm going to put CSS and JavaScript sections aside. Let's write our first lines of code. I'm going to be creating a paragraph. Here I'm going to have an opening tag, closing tag. Here I'm going to say welcome to HTML. Here I've written a code to create a paragraph. You can see at the right side, it is created. Whatever code you write, that will be created on the right side.